Thank you for joining us for our webcast, Product Health and Critical Items for Product Managers to Actively Manage, featuring Michael Bauer. My name is Cesar Venegas. I'm a project manager at a company named Five Stars. Before we get started, two quick reminders. This session is being recorded and will be available in the near term for those that want to revisit this session. Second, during the presentation, the audio lines will be muted. So if you have any questions, please use the chat function. The presenter and I will be monitoring the chat throughout our session. I wanted to extend a special welcome to the PDMA members that are participating today. As a quick reminder, NPDP certified attendees earned 1 professional development hour towards renewal by attending this webcast. PDMA was founded over 45 years ago in 1976 as a community of professionals who powered the most recognized, respected, and innovative companies in the world. Today, our members span from industries and belong to chapters around the world. They network together and take advantage of our offerings to advance their careers. We are also the only professional association specifically focused on bringing together product development and management practitioners, academics, and service providers in one community to nurture our discipline and to spawn innovation. At the bottom of your screen are some examples of how we're doing this. For 35 years, our Outstanding Corporate Innovator Award has been the premier award to honor innovators. PDMA's Book of Knowledge Hub, K-Hub, is an excellent online resource for anything innovation or PD&M. Check it out if you haven't been there recently. Our robust Book of Knowledge is available on Amazon in print or in ebook format. PDMA's new product development certification provides additional credibility to members, and our academic journal, JPIM, embodies the latest research and thinking. On your screen are a few of the following events for the next month with PDMA, international and our chapters. August 23rd through October 11th, 2022, PDMA Pittsburgh 2022 Fall Body of Knowledge Training. September 13, St. Louis, comparing product launches in different industries, a panel discussion. Now it's my pleasure to introduce our speaker, Michael Bauer. Mike has his 30 years of experience in building and leading cross-functional teams and organizations to successfully define, develop, and bring new companies and products to market. His experience spans multiple industries with experience in hardware, software, and services and startups to Fortune 500 companies. Currently, Mike serves as Sopheon's Chief Product Officer and leads the team in product management, design, and product marketing, and is responsible for Sopheon's products through their entire lifecycle. In addition, Mike is spearheading Sopheon's launch of their new product-led growth offerings. Mike earned his Bachelor's of Administration degree at Harvard Graduate School of Business and a Bachelor's of Science cum laude with University honors in electrical engineering from Ohio State. So without further ado, Mike, the floor is yours.
Well, thank you, Cesar. I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody joining us today for this webinar. I've been pretty excited about this webinar and talking about this idea of product health. This came from actually 30 years of trying to figure this out myself, but also part of what we've been doing at Sopheon with our products is creating products for people like ourselves, everybody on this call. And part of this is a lot of jobs to be done research that we spent a lot of time trying to understand this across a lot of different industries. And what we see out of this is something really remarkable. It doesn't matter whether you're doing digital products or physical or service or something combination. A lot of the jobs are the same. A lot of the needs are the same. And so it's been pretty exciting time to actually have joined Sopheon about 18 months ago and starting to lead our product efforts to basically create products to serve us. And so today, what I really wanted to talk through is that some of the learning we've taken and some of the insights, and hopefully help you get your job done easier. Do like to keep this as informal as possible. I know webinars are tough to have that interaction. I get to stare at a screen. You get to stare at me. I can't see you having your lunch or paying attention or not paying attention, but I have a few polls. There's some questions. The other thing is, please ask questions as we go. Caesar will try to get my attention, which I'll try to take some breaths once in a while and let you guys ask some questions as we go. I'd rather have it interactive than try to hold all questions to the end. The poll was really just giving me a sense of what type of products do you manage. Nice, interesting mix, almost even across the board between digital, physical, service, or some combination. So it's an interesting mix. So let's get going. I'm going to start with a couple things. Have you ever heard something similar to this as a product professional or trying to manage products through their life cycle? First one, man, I'm telling you, you better be driving the success of your product. Wow. Okay. I've heard that question. I've also heard this. So you got a new product out there. How's it doing? Are you doing? Is it doing okay? Tell me what we need to do differently. Kind of my favorite is on the other side of this, because I've picked up some products and managed teams that have had this. Hey, this product isn't doing well. What are you going to do about it? I don't know about you. How does you react when you're given those types of statements? How well do you ask that? Can you make those statements actionable? Do they tie to my OKRs? I mean, if I go back, let's go back to some of these. I'm telling you, you better drive the success to your product. Well, what's success? I don't know. You might have an idea. Sometimes, it's just simply give me revenue, give me market share. But is that the right one? Does that really help? When you go to this type of question, well, how's it doing? Well, I don't know. I have a new release coming out, or I have a new version of the product coming out. I have a brand, I have a brand extension. I have a new flavor coming out of this product. I don't know. Did it do well? People are buying it. It doesn't cost me as much to make. What's the measure? I don't know. I don't know what this person's thinking. My boss might, but do I really? And then finally, on this one, my favorite ones. Well, what measure is not doing well? Are we missing revenue numbers? I use that a lot, but am I missing satisfaction? Is it not getting the shelf space I want? Is it not getting share of wallet I want? They're all different. And so I look at all of this, and these, when you get to it, really are about product health. They're asking you health questions. And this is the important thing.